Yo guys, I told you I would do an update video once we get to the campground. Well, it's the end of the weekend, so I thought I'd clean it up, make it look a little nicer for you. But since the last video, we did the whole solar panel upgrade, added the extra bar, added little locks for the baggage doors, added that little kick plate to the front, and then added all the corners back with the new LEDs. I still need to get the little stainless steel corner pieces here. We did have one little error here. This is the old awning, and I gotta remove this because I'm noticing that it's actually leaking a little bit in this corner. So I do have to fix that still. But overall, really good experience, way better than the tent. The inside. Oh, I did add a little piece of Velcro here, so I have a nice solar light, which is nice. The R to certify it. But this is where I slept on this side. All of the solar and everything. Little, I guess, quote unquote kitchen. That's that $15 table that I cut into the countertop. And then there's the queen bed in the back. That's where Bricky and Oki stayed. And then some nice storage here. You got all storage underneath. We had the furnace running on the solar, was working great. Fridge running on the propane, working great. There's the 3D printed curtain rod holders up there. Allows us to, and then I frosted those corner windows, so it allows us to have just curtains there and some nice sun coming up in the morning there. Same with here. And then this is kind of our exhaust window right here, right? One thing I think I need to do is add one of those fans up in here because we did have a ton of condensation, which is, I guess, a problem with the A-liners. There's condensation all in here, and it was kind of all down in here as well. So I need to figure out something with that. But overall, solar's been working great all weekend. We've been using the power, we've been charging our phones, and I'm still at, we got 16.3 volts coming in, and I'm still at almost full batteries, 13.2 volts. So, but the battery bank's been working awesome. I'm so happy that I did add the solar. You can't really see anything in there. Oh, come on. There you go. Got the two 80 amp hour batteries in there, parallel, the 400 watt inverter, and then the whole charge controller, which is super awesome. But yeah, overall, it was a great camping experience. It towed awesome. Never had any issues with that. Oh, but when backing it in, our site is a little bit of a hill. So backing it up here was a little difficult. And we bent the sway bar accidentally. Oh, I added an LED to the front too. That's another new thing. But overall, way better than sitting in or laying in a tent. It was 6 degrees last night, and it was nice and comfy in there. And it looks good too. Looks good. A couple people came up to me and was like, "Oh, I love the A-liners." But yeah, this was our 2023 Bon Echo adventure. Check out the other video that I did on the lake. Thank you for tuning in, guys. Thank you for supporting. And let's do another project like this. This was awesome. Peace, love, and cheers.